President Obama signed a 5-year extension of the warrantless wiretapping program first passed under President Bush. So here's the question. Could the government be listening into your private conversations? Is the program legal? What do you say, Judge?
Well, the program is legal because the government has made it legal. The real question is it constitutional? In my view, it's absolutely unconstitutional. So if you, Stuart Varney, are going to call Aunt Tilly in London, the government can listen to that conversation, even though there's not a whiff of suspicion that you're a terrorist or that Aunt Tilly is. Just because you're an American speaking to someone overseas, they can listen to the conversation. Same with emails. But if you're going to email a business associate in India or China, the government can read that email just because you're an American and that person is overseas.
On the grounds that I may be engaging in a terrorist conversation.
On an absurd, nativist, racist belief that foreigners, that Americans who deal with foreigners are more likely to be a danger to the security of the country than Americans who don't deal with foreigners. That's preposterous.
Is there evidence that listening into this kind of communication has stopped terrorist incidents?
The government will say yes, but it won't produce the evidence because it claims it's secret. So you believe it if you want.
And you don't?
Well, no, I don't believe it at all. And even if it were so, it wouldn't violate the violation of your Fourth Amendment privilege to be free from unreasonable search and seizure. And all listening of conversations and monitoring of emails without a warrant under the law is unreasonable and unconstitutional.
I can show you a software program that scans all communication worldwide and that just picks out key words and links them together. That is anonymous and nothing wrong with it.
That is so appropriate that you said that, because how does the government know you're talking to Aunt Tilly? It listens to all your conversations. If they hear my voice on the phone, we'll say we're not supposed to listen. If they hear Aunt Tilly's voice on this phone, they'll listen.
Looking for keywords. I'm out of time. I wish I had time to go through this. Judge, thank you very much indeed.
Pleasure.